Hi, second grade. Today in science, we're going to continue practicing describing our favorite things using the physical properties of matter. So that's just our five senses. Remember, our five senses are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. So you read on Tuesday about some people's favorite things, and today we're going to get to talk about our own favorite things. You will need a pencil and a paper for this lesson. Let's get started. So first, I want to show you a song that you may have heard of before. It's from a movie called The Sound of Music, and in that movie, one of the main characters sings a song about her favorite things, and she uses descriptive words to describe all of her favorite things. I want you to listen to this song and think about what physical properties she's using to describe her favorite things, and I'll highlight some as we listen.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things.
Did you hear some descriptive words that she used to describe her favorite things? I know I did. I heard her describing what things looked like, what colors they were, what temperature they were, if they were warm or cold, and also what state of matter. She even mentioned how something was melting. So now I want to talk about some of my favorite things. And while I'm talking about my favorite things, I want you to think about some of your favorite things. I like white roses. They're white and soft. I like Cheez-Its. They're crunchy and salty. I like mountains because they're so big and they're beautiful and green. Some of them have snow on them, which is a solid. One of the liquids that I like is Diet Coke. It's very fizzy and bubbly and cold, especially when it's really hot outside. I love colorful pens because some of them have scent, some of them smell fun, and they're really colorful. I love burning candles in my house because they smell so nice. I like lavender smelling candles. They're also very smooth, that's their texture, and they're white. I love my bed. I love sleeping in my bed. It's very soft and fluffy. And I love my kitten Milo. He's black and he meows very loudly sometimes, especially when he wants to eat. And he is very soft and small. So scholars, what I want you to do, you can pause the video and do this, or you can do it at the end, is I want you to create a picture of your favorite things just like I did. You can use pictures from Google, you can cut up pictures from a magazine, or you can draw pictures on a piece of paper, whichever works best for you. Now we're going to practice describing our favorite things using our physical properties of matter. And then we are going to write a paragraph, just like in the song, describing our favorite things. So when I was thinking about my favorite things and I thought about Milo, he's definitely black. I can see that he's black. I can feel that he's soft. I know he's a solid. I can feel that he's furry. I can see he's a small size, and I can definitely hear him meowing when he's hungry. When I think about Diet Coke, I can see that it's a liquid and that it's brown. I can also see that it is bubbly. I can feel that it is cold, and I can taste that it's pretty fizzy. It's got lots of bubbles. And then when I think about candles, they are sometimes white. The ones I have are white. They have a smooth texture. I know that they are solid, but they can melt into a liquid when you burn them. And I know that mine smells like lavender, and I can hear them crackling sometimes. So what I did is I picked 3 of my favorite things from my picture, which is what I want you to do next. Looking at your picture or thinking about your favorite things, I want you to choose just 3 and start to brainstorm some of the physical properties. Now, I'm going to take that and put it into a paragraph, which is what you're going to do next as well. So, my favorite things. I'm starting my paragraph just like she did in the movie, and she says, whenever I'm feeling unhappy, I think of nice things. You can use this as your introduction sentence as well. I love my soft black kitten named Milo. Want you to see how I used the words from my chart to help write my sentences. He is small, furry, and meows very loudly. Again, notice how I used the words from my chart to write my sentence. One of my favorite liquids is Diet Coke because it is cold, bubbly, and fizzy. Again, I'm using those words from my chart. Lastly, I love burning lavender-scented white candles in my house. These are a few of my favorite things. So next, it's your turn. First, you're going to make a picture of your favorite things, just like me. Then I want you to brainstorm in a chart some of the descriptive words and physical properties of 3 of your favorite things. You can choose more if you want, but at least 3. And then I want you to write a paragraph just like mine. You can use my first and last sentence as an example to help you, but I really want you to think about all of the descriptive words for the body of your paragraph. I'm so excited to see your paragraphs and pictures in Schoology. Make sure you turn them in either by taking a picture or by typing it in the box. Have a great day!